All right, so today we are back working on Colleen's boat, this time her trailer. We got this boat earlier this year and we rebuilt the engine and have been, Colleen reupholstered the seats and we've just been chipping away at it. But one of the big items that we need to address is this platform here. It's got a wet and dry box, but this platform is really crappy plywood and Colleen can stand on it, but I have fallen through it. So had kind of a nasty weather this morning, so we took that as an opportunity to go get some new composite material, and then Colleen drew up a plan for how she wants to put decking down. So that's what we're gonna get started doing. Colleen is also very wet because we have a tent that got soaked this morning and she tried to clear all the water off, so kind of came through in a couple spots. So ignore that dripping, but let's get started. Days later, and we've had some rain, but there is our new platform for our boat trailer, and now we are going to probably launch it and go for a little rip. All right, so here we are, launched the boat. As you can see, it's way better now having this decking down to be able to step out on and kind of get onto the boat, and also leave it in the water, so when we come in we've got, you know, plenty of space to get off here. And we just got to be careful of this ratchet to pull the boat back on, because it definitely hurts your ankle. It's right at the right level that you can get your foot caught under it. So that's what the deck looks like from the water. As you can see, it at least gives us something to stand on. That we are going to head down the river. are. We came in, and as you can see, we're still in the water, and you got plenty of grip. Even if you put your feet down in the water, this decking has got plenty of grip. So we're done for the night. Had a good, nice little ride. Gonna pull the boat out.